Hello, my name is Tyler Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the TrustIsYou.com, and I want to start going live on YouTube because I now have over 900 people. My goal is to teach as many U.S. business owners and 1099 income earners and also U.S. investors how they can save taxes legally. So few people have ever heard of the Spendthrift Trust. It is legal. It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. The Spendthrift Trust comes from England way back when King Henry VIII started the Church of England. Yep, that famous king who chopped off his wives' heads, who got in trouble for that, started the Church of England so he could divorce his wives. What a much better way of doing things, quite frankly. Well, it's contract law that came from England and came to the colonies while we were still part of England. The law firm I work on behalf of inherited a trust that turned 350 years old in 2023. For 3.5 centuries, they have kept things completely private. Now, with the Spendthrift Trust, it's going to save you in 4 extremely important ways. Write this down. Number 1, year after year, generation after generation, you will save U.S. federal and state income taxes legally with the Spendthrift Trust. Number 2, you're going to keep all your information 100% private. There's a false rumor out there that your LLC, your S Corp, or your C Corp will do that. I can go online to the Secretary of State or the Corporation Commission of your state and research all LLCs and C Corps and S Corps. There's a reason why 40% of all LLCs get sued every year. Your information is not private. Spendthrift Trust, it's private. Number 3, talking about lawsuits. All lawsuits get everything into the trust, and all lawsuits become frivolous. If they try to sue me, I'm worth nothing. Everything I own is in my trust, and they can't get a hold of it. This saves my clients thousands and thousands of dollars every single year in lawsuits. And number 4, if you're not aware of the 2024 Corporate Transparency Act from the Treasury Department, with any of our Spendthrift Trusts, you are exempt from doing that paperwork. If you do not have a Spendthrift Trust, please do the paperwork. The fines for not doing the paperwork are either $10,000 and or 2 years in jail. That's a heck of a lot of fines to do things. So again, it's the Corporate Transparency Act from the Treasury Department. It's part of the Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2000, and the FinTech is in charge of it. If you want more information with that, please email me because I want people to not get in trouble. Go to jail for not doing paperwork. Yikes. So, Paul Benson was, Paul Benson was a Harvard law professor. 76 years ago, he wrote 5 different trusts, and none of the trusts have ever been audited in the past 76 years. So let me go over the 5 trusts very quickly so you understand the differences. The business trust is for U.S. business owners and 1099 income earners, where you will save at least 90% on your federal income taxes yearly, and in 43 states no longer pay state income taxes. If you're making at least $80,000 a year gross, you need to know about the Spendthrift Trust. You will save 5 figures. It's amazing. The beneficial trust is for all U.S. investors. I personally started researching this trust back in 2020 when in 2019 I was working full-time and I wholesaled 7 properties. Did fantastic, paid off all my debt. Things were great until my CPA called me. What I didn't figure out, I had money saved for capital gains. What I forgot about was my personal tax rate went from 22% up to 24%, and I had to take out a HELOC on my paid-off house. That defeated the purpose of having a paid-off house. So that's why I researched the Spendthrift Trust. So the 5 taxes the investors will save are short-term and long-term capital gains on profits, interest income taxes if you're a passive investor, dividend income taxes if you're in the stock market, rental income taxes if you're a real estate investor. Yes, you can take depreciation. Yes, you can take cost averaging, but there's more to this. And then finally, royalty income taxes if you have talent. You're an actor, an actress, an author, musician, you're in the NFT world, you have patents, copyrighted information, or intellectual property. That's the beneficial trust. Then there's the senior trust for anybody who's on Medicare. If you make more than $91,000 a year from anything, Social Security, 401k withdrawals, pensions, maybe you're still working, maybe you have capital gains, interest income, dividend income, rental income, royalty income taxes, If you make more than $91,000, it's going to affect your Part B of your Medicare. Part A is your doctors. Part A is your hospital. Part B are your doctors and your tests. Every October, the IRS goes back 2 years to check on anyone who files a 1041 tax return to see if they're making more than $91,000. With all the Spendthrift Trusts, you file a 1041 tax return, so you're not part of that checkup every October. Amazing thing. That's the third trust. The fourth trust is for anyone with mineral rights. I have a client who inherited his granddad's horse farm that has 6 oil wells on the horse farm. He's saving over $32,000 in taxes on his oil wells. If you have coal rights, if you have shale rights or anything else, that's the mineral trust. And then finally, it's the nonprofit trust for any 501c3 companies. They too will save so much money there. So today, I'm going to concentrate on the business trust and the beneficial trust. The business trust is for all U.S. business owners and U.S. 1099 income earners. You will save at least 90% on your federal income taxes, and in 43 states no longer pay state income taxes. I personally, in 2022 and 2023, I saved 92% on my 3 online businesses and did not pay North Carolina state income taxes. It's a beautiful thing. To give you an idea, one of my favorite pizzerias here in the Charlotte area, husband and wife have 2 locations. They make about $15,000 gross per month, $180,000 per year. In a full year, they will save over $34,000 in federal and state income taxes. This is their money to pay off their mortgage, to buy a new car, to save for retirement, take the family on a vacation, to give to charity. What they did, they opened up a 3rd location. So they're making even more money and saving more taxes. Congratulations to them. If you go out to my free course on the Great Discovery, it's at www.sallygimmon, first name and last name, squishtogether.com. You will get a presentation, and you will also get an Excel spreadsheet where I took every single state. It's someone who's filed single. There's 4 ways to file your taxes: single, head of household, married jointly, married separately. Single is the most expensive way to file single, and I'm single, so I should know this. So if you go out to www.sallygimmon.com, there's an Excel spreadsheet that you can look up your state. Maybe you're in Wisconsin, maybe you're in Alabama, maybe you're in New York State, and you will see how much you will save at 90% on federal and state income taxes. 7 states do not have state income taxes. Also, when you go out to the Great Discovery, this is a free course. I have the 3 articles from Forbes magazine there, so you can read them also. Forbes magazine is an established magazine. These articles were printed back in 2001 and 2022, so please read those. The business trust is for U.S. business owners and 1099 income earners. If you would like to set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me, please go to www.thetrustisisyou.com/scheduling. The beneficial trust is for all investors. Again, set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me at www.thetrustisisyou.com/scheduling. Thank you for watching my video today. I should start doing this more often on YouTube. Thanks for doing that.